Hello everyone, the world is full of wonders. Some we see with our own eyes and some are harder to reach. We've got drones capturing footage of things we could only dream of seeing firsthand. This channel brings those unbelievable sights right to your screen, so buckle up because we're about to embark on a visual journey that'll take your breath away. Thousands gathered in China to witness colossal waves crashing against the shore. You can feel the energy of the crowd, anticipation building with every wave. Some folks got closer to the action than they bargained for, a little splash and dash. Seasoned wave watchers enjoyed the show from a safe distance. Our cameraman set out to capture the tranquil beauty of nature, but what unfolded was anything but peaceful. The sky erupts, unleashing a torrent of rain and wind, transforming the once serene landscape into a scene of awe-inspiring power. This little guy is on a mission, dodging obstacles left and right, weaving through dangers with surprising agility. This is no ordinary poultry, this is a feathered Houdini. Just when hope seems lost, our hero makes it home, safe and sound. Imagine trekking through the snowy mountains of China, the silence broken only by the crunch of your boots. You're surrounded by breathtaking beauty, but danger lurks around every corner. This brave traveler had a close encounter with a pack of wolves. But these folks are prepared. They've carved tunnels through the snow, creating a safe passage. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to adapt to challenging environments. Remember when space travel was the stuff of science fiction? Well, the future is now. Astronauts are sharing their experiences in real time, uploading videos directly from orbit. We get to ride along with them as they zoom past stars and planets, witnessing Earth in all its celestial glory. This stadium, once a beacon of cheers and roaring crowds, is taking its final bow. It's seen countless victories and defeats, but time marches on. This isn't just demolition, it's a final act of brilliance before the curtain falls. This is everyone's worst nightmare, a house, a home, reduced to rubble in the blink of an eye. One minute it's standing tall, the next it's collapsing like a house of cards. The foundation, meant to be the bedrock of this dream, failed without warning. Thankfully, no one was inside. Who says drones are just for aerial photography? They're changing how we interact with wildlife. Take this pride of lions. They're used to the roar of the savannah, but a buzzing drone, that's new. Their faces as the drone buzzes overhead are priceless. Curious, confused, maybe even annoyed. Here's a vacation idea you don't see every day. These adventurers set up camp on an ice floe, complete with a tent, supplies, and a DIY jacuzzi made from a bathtub. It takes guts to brave the elements, trusting your ingenuity to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Leave it to Australia to defy the laws of physics. You've heard of kangaroos hopping, but have you ever seen them walk on water? These incredible creatures with their powerful legs and tails truly make the impossible look easy. Imagine paddling out on your surfboard, expecting a good day on the waves. A mother whale and her calf glide effortlessly, dwarfing even the most experienced surfers. Their sheer size and grace are breathtaking, a reminder of the ocean's vastness and wonder. Rainbows, we've all seen them, right? A simple prism of light bending and reflecting through water droplets. But in the right setting, it's like a portal to another world. Natural pools, hidden gems scattered across the globe. Crystal clear oases untouched by human hands, like something out of a fairy tale. The Arctic Ocean, a vast expanse of ice and frigid waters, is unforgiving to most vessels. But these specialized ships designed to conquer even the thickest ice are a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of exploration and discovery. Talk about a sinking feeling. This daring soul took the plunge into a pit of shifting sand. It's a stark reminder that even the ground beneath our feet can be unpredictable, a force to be reckoned with, and not to be underestimated. When you think of fishing nets, you probably picture something small and manageable, right? Think again. These industrial fishing nets are colossal, hauling in tons of fish in a single catch. There's something awe-inspiring about the launch of a ship. Watching a vessel of this magnitude enter the water is a testament to human engineering and our fascination with the sea. They say there's beauty in destruction, and this controlled demolition is no exception. Watching this towering silo crumble is strangely satisfying, a symphony of dust, debris, and raw power. Who says fireworks are just for nighttime? This vibrant daytime display proves that pyrotechnics can light up the sky at any hour of the day. The bursts of color against the blue canvas of the sky are simply mesmerizing and captivating. Farming, the backbone of our civilization, often gets overlooked, but from the air, you can't help but appreciate the intricate beauty and efficiency of modern agriculture and its vast landscapes. Mount Everest, the tallest peak on Earth, a beacon for climbers and adventurers for centuries. Thanks to the bravery of those who dared to dream, we can experience the view from the top without ever leaving our homes. These firefighting planes are more than just machines, they're guardians of the sky, bravely battling wildfires and protecting our forests. The skill and precision required to maneuver these aircraft through thick smoke and intense flames is nothing short of remarkable. Sometimes the most extraordinary things are hidden in plain sight. Take these stones for example. They might look ordinary, but closer inspection reveals their extraordinary properties. And then there's drone technology, constantly evolving and surprising us. From transporting materials to revealing hidden aspects of modernization, like the massive bike graveyards in China, drones are changing the way we see the world. There's something primal and mesmerizing about watching molten metal flow. The heat, the glow, the sheer power. It's a reminder of the forces that shape our world, both natural and man-made. Whales, these majestic creatures captivate our imaginations. Using drones and tracking devices, scientists monitor whale populations and track their movements, all while minimizing disruption to these gentle giants. Glaciers, these frozen rivers of ice, are a testament to nature's power. They carve mountains, shape landscapes, and hold history spanning millennia. As our climate changes, we witness dramatic consequences. Watching a glacier calve into the ocean is awe-inspiring and sobering. From breathtaking heights to awe-inspiring depths, this compilation highlights the incredible diversity of our world. It's a reminder of just how much there is to discover. So let's keep on exploring.